back to Chef Super Cheesy. Today we're making black bean chicken quesadillas. So watch and learn, and don't get burned.
Let's start with our bell pepper. We're gonna slice our ends and then start cutting them into slices. After we're done with that, we're gonna dice them into little squares. 1 bell pepper. Now for our onions, we're gonna use 1 onion and do the same. Slice them up, then dice them into little squares. We're using 2 tablespoons of olive oil at a high heat. Make sure you drain your beans and wash them. Now for this step, you can use any seasoning you want, taco seasoning preferably. I'm using something else, but that's just me. Now we're gonna use 1 whole lemon. Now we're gonna wanna put our heat at a medium and then mix all that in there. And just kind of, let it simmer just a little bit, enough to warm up the chicken. For this step, you can use any cheese you want. We use a Mexican blend from Costco, but you can use mozzarella, Monterey, anything you have in hand. One last thing, we want to keep our heat at medium. That way we don't burn the tortilla. So, watch it, learn, and don't get burned.
And welcome back, cheesy and greasy chicken bean quesadillas. These are delicious, man. At the end of this video, I'm gonna have the links for the guacamole and the salsa I use. I use it for the huevos rancheros. Check that video out, my steak lamb. Steak line fajitas. I use it for a lot of stuff. Guacamole I use for my tacos, burritos, like you name it, chips. Same thing with this red sauce. So let's dip. As always, I did it again. And another one. Well, there's not much more to say than to get down, James Brown. But again, the links for these salsas the salsa and the guacamole will be in this video. So watch and learn, and don't get burned.